Please share your feedback. It is will helpful to Natasha Tech users and to all candidates who are encouraging to participate in the next event. Can you please on camera, if it is possible, we can take one snapshot. Hi Akshara and Kajal.
Hi.
Kajal, can you please on the camera? Afzal Ali.
Actually, I couldn't able to.
Yes, ma'am.
Kajal, I didn't get you.
I couldn't able to actually. I'm trying, but
Okay. So guys, can you please share your feedback one by one? Akshara, please start from your end.
Yeah, actually, I have joined very late. Actually, I sorry for that, but it was very nice to. It was very nice experience because the way you were explaining the scenarios was very good. Because these one way you explained, right, Natasha, that dot something, right? I'm first time it was hearing, so it will be helpful. So the same ways if you conduct every weekend also, it will be helpful for us. So we
Thank
are
you.
learning some more topics because it was never heard from anyone. I'm practicing Selenium from past 6 months. I have never seen this method. So if you continue, if you take sessions like this, so it will be helpful for to learn new and it's look like very shortcut because I was writing a long, lengthy absolute XPath for the scenario what you told for me. So it was very simple and very it was time. It was not consuming very much time. So if you continue like this, we can learn a lot. So thank
Okay,
you for
good.
that.
Thank you so much, Akshara. Your valuable feedback. Crypto, please go ahead.
Actually, I have some knowledge taking XPath, but after I attend this, I understand myself not that much. So nowadays I will start learning. I mean, start practicing daily like this. So if you conducted weekly once means it helps for me to develop to how to write XPaths.
Okay, thank you. Next, Deepa. Actually, for many of the candidates joined it quickly and quickly they left. Okay, no problem. Deepa, please share your feedback, Deepa. Deepa, are you talking? We are not getting your voice. Okay, no problem. Afzal, please go ahead.
Yeah, ma'am. Actually, I know XPath, but I know the basic XPath, and I think it is very advanced level. So it is a little bit difficult for me. But if you conduct weekly once, and I will practice also, so I can understand it is. I feel easy in future. I'll practice it.
Thank you, Afzal. Deepa, please. You can check your system volume or some your headset. I don't know. Is it? Actually, I not hear my voice.
Yeah, I'm able to hear.
Deepa. Okay, I think Deepa, you have some speaker problem. You have to check. No problem. Gajar.
hello, ma'am. Yeah. So thank you for conducting this XPath this program, and yeah, it was very helpful. And please conduct every weekend, so it will be very helpful for us. Yeah. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, so now we can take one snapshot. This is my first event. So because Natasha Tech willing to help to all candidates who are all going to be searching automation tester job. Really, it is helpful to everyone. So that reason for helping hands, I'm going to be arrange this event. Okay, thank you your support. Please share to your all your friends and your circles. Help me to grow this channel. For upcoming, I'm going to be planned for conducting different type of events who are all willing to take this automation testing jobs. Okay, so myself is Sangeeta Natarajan. First I have to introduce myself. I have experience, 5+ years of experience. I'm working as automation developer. Okay, now I'm currently working in InfoVision Labs. So I have to try to Google it. That time you will get my company info. Okay. Then okay, keep smile. I can take one snap. Crypto, why you are going down? Work man. Yes. Okay. So Deepa and Gajal only not able to. Deepa again trying to rejoin it. Deepa,
Where are you from?
I am from Tamil Nadu. I'm basically Tamil Nadu only. So yeah, yes Deepa, please go ahead.
Can you hear me now?
Yeah, now I am get your
Yeah.
voice. Please go
I'm
ahead.
sorry, there was some issue with my system, I guess.
Yeah, okay, no problem.
So, coming to the session, it was really nice, and you explained the things really well. We see a lot of videos online, but nobody explains like we have to follow such way in order to find these things. I was practicing. I have been working on this, but I didn't know that we should not use the random numbers and all those concepts. So it was really helpful.
Thank you so much, Deepa, for giving
Thank
the
you.
valuable feedback. So, guys, thank you so much for participating this event because I'm expecting more than 10+. But this is my first event. It is conducted through Natasha Tech channel. I'm happy to see you all because you only encouraging me, motivating me, inspiring me how we can conduct my next event. It is boosting me. Okay, I'm also learning from you guys. While you are taking expert, myself also I'm doing the same way. How I can fast, I'm taking expert. Okay, and please don't give up your practice because if you give up your practice, definitely you will be forget all the concept. The Selenium is nothing but only expert, but Java only mainly we are implemented here. Okay, if you know very well taking expert strategy, that time you can easily finish your task as soon as, right? Because many
Yeah,
of the
correct.
members struggled in taking expert. Okay, so we will see for upcoming events the challenged expert. Okay, so next event will be conducted. I will notify through my Telegram group, and I'm requesting once again, please share this event and this channel, this group to all. Okay.
Yeah, sure.
So then
Sure.
now I'm going to be plan take snap. Crypto, go up a little bit. Keep smile. We have to take one snap. Wow, we are taking. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Bye.
Yeah, thanks
Ma'am,
to
can you
you.
provide your email ID?
Channel link. Channel link. Telegram
Yeah.
channel link and
Yeah. I will have it. And I will send you my Telegram group also. Guys, then I want to know how you know this event. Akshara, how you know
Yeah.
about this event?
Actually, one guy is there, Nishchay. He is my colleague, so he referred me.
Super, very good. Crypto, how you aware of it? How you know this event?
I added a Selenium testing group in Telegram. In the Telegram, they posted what are the my like this type of events they posted there. So in that group, I got that poster.
Okay, super. Afjal, how you got?
Yeah, ma'am. I'm using Telegram. So in Telegram, I've seen one poster like
You are in Natasha Tech
photos,
group?
image. Yeah, Natasha Tech Group.
Okay,
So
good.
I thought to learn something, so I joined.
Okay, super. Kajal?
From Natasha Tech Group, ma'am.
Okay, super, very good.
Yeah.
Deepa?
I did not get to know from the Natasha Tech group that Telegram. I am not aware of that, but there is another Telegram group. So from there, I got to know about it.
May I know the Telegram group name?
I have joined like 2 or 3 group names, so I don't. I had kept
I
a
think
reminder.
Automation Master, I guess.
Yeah, automation master.
Maybe.
Because I also joined.
I just kept the reminder and I joined.
Okay,
Can
no
you?
problem.
Okay. Have you shared the Telegram group link?
Yeah, so I send mail ID and channel link and the Telegram
Okay.
group also.
Okay, I'll join it. Thank you.
So please guys who are all in automation groups, you can share this channel and the Telegram group in that you join a group also, okay?
Yeah, sure.
It is
Okay,
help
ma'am.
to
Sure.
thank you so much. We will meet
Thank you,
in
ma'am.
next event with a huge number, with a lot of competition. That time we will prove who is the king for the taking expert, okay? Bye. Take care.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay,
Also,
ma'am.
I have one suggestion. If you can give something like a homework or assignment where we can explore different things, it will be helpful for us because we can ask the doubts as well in the next session.
Yeah, sure, Deepa. I'm planning to that because this is first event, right? First I planned it because most of the people struggle in taking expat. So based on this event only, I'm going to be evaluate who are all having weakness, who are all having good credit point for in which technology. Based on that only, I have to do that. Yeah, definitely I will plan. I hope you guys. Received mock interview part 1. In that session I gave assignment to one person. I'm taking mock interview also, but through this hackathon also I'm going to be give you that assignment. Yeah, it will be soon. Definitely will be get. Okay, one by one we have to plan. Okay.
Okay.
So first, once you have to stand in with expert, if you become strong in expert, then we will move to the next concept, Selenium, Java, and next advanced tool. One by one, you have to go. Okay, that's what
Okay,
I'm
ma'am.
planning. Okay, so if
Yeah,
any
sure.
queries you want to ask me,
No. No query.
nothing, right? Can we drop?
No.
Yeah.
Yeah, ma'am.
Thank you so much. Bye.
Thank
Good
Thank
night.
you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank you
ma'am.
so much.
Yeah, thank you. Bye. So how to select main, t-shirt. Okay, then you should take export for this 50% off checkbox. You got my point?
Yeah.
Okay, good. First we have to inspect element for the popular filters text. So storing under E tab. Okay, so this match element is 1, right? So then I'm going to be take export for this non-stop text. So after this popular field title only, we have to find that non-stop text, right? So this is following, right? Hello. Yes, right? So
Yeah.
this is the inside div only available. So label 1, 2, 3. So I have to take span. This is checkbox. This is the text. Another one tab is available on stop. So now I'm going to be using following contain text. Okay. So here we can see two matched element. Why? Because under popular filters also having one non-stop, and here we can see stops from New Delhi also we can see non-stop. Guardian Mohanty, you are sending one XPath. So this test was conducting only for, you should use XPath access. Is it fine? But you should use XPath access. Share your screen all. Guys, if you are not sharing your screen, you will be removed from this event.
Ma'am, I am unable to share my screen. Search.
Okay. What is the
It
issue?
is
Nisai can able to, yeah, Kajal Mohanty is presenting. One more minutes left. Okay, if you are,
Yeah.
you are getting some value points from me.